My name is Hamp Reed, and I'm the president of Stature Aviation.
Charity Jackson, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing.
We put together flight training, management, maintenance, AOG services.
This is not just flight school. This is an experience that you're signing up for.
We are solely focused on the Cirrus aircraft. Everybody that we bring in, we make sure that they too learn everything they can about the Cirrus airplane and understand why we are so excited about this platform. Our goal at the end of the day is to know they can always pick up their phone and get in touch with one of us. We manage over 30 aircraft now. We have a limited service center here, which we're super proud of and have an amazing team, and they are the heartbeat at keeping these airplanes healthy, which allows everything else to run. We have a team that's going around the city, around DFW, to various aircraft that we manage. They come back, open their hangar, their airplane has been washed, they've got a note in there that everything has been changed, they've got new tires, whatever it may be, and then that customer gets a full detailed report of everything that was done on that aircraft every 2 weeks.
They really never have to lift a finger, and I think that is something that is really appealing for the kind of clients that we work with. These services give them that little extra peace of mind that this is something that they can do.
Our highly trained Cirrus pilots and Cirrus mechanics have gone over that aircraft with a fine-tooth comb. They are carrying everything to the best standards. They are staying within our policy, and the standards are high. And both brands, both Stature and Cirrus, are always having a very bright light shined on them. Whether it be in-house or anywhere around the DFW area with our mobile management services, to us, that's what great looks like.